and the officer observed an odor of marijuana. The defendant stated someone else possibly smoked marijuana inside the vehicle, and a PC search was conducted. The officer located 3 individual packages with a green leafy substance known to be marijuana based on training experience. The officer located these packages inside a red backpack on the back seat of the vehicle, and the marijuana was weighed, and the weight was 2.87 ounces.
He did tell him that he had CBD in the car. He said that I had 3 packs. I just purchased it. They're in my backpack in a bag. They were unopened at the time. The officer did take the bag so that he wasn't, he didn't know how CBD looked or smelled. So he was just going to find it to be marijuana and would take him in for that, even though my client did prove up the fact that it was CBD in regards.
But if it's CBD and it's unopened, wouldn't smell, right? Because it's vacuum sealed.
Well, no. He said he smelled something in the car. But the substance that he found in the packages, they were unopened, and those were CBD. That's what he said that he found to be marijuana. But my client let him know that this is CBD. It's in my backpack. When you search, you're going to find it. It's going to be in there. But I purchased it earlier today from a smoke shop. And so when the officer did retrieve them out of the backpack and asked about it, he's like, well, I can't tell the difference between, what CBD and marijuana is. I only know marijuana. So I'm going to have to take you in on that.
What form is this CBD in?
It was like in a little,
Is it?
it was a flower. So
It is a flower.
So I do know that the CBD flower and cannabis flower, they look very similar. So
Your Honor, if I may. So as the DIMS establishes, so the odor was enough from the search, and finding that leafy substance is enough because upon further testing, it may or may not. But just for the purpose of probable.
So I think for probable cause purposes, I think it's enough because the odor, right? Now, they're going to test it. If it tests different, then there we may have an issue.
Yeah.
But as far as probable cause, and your record speaks for itself, Mr. Moore. Anytime you get pulled over, what's going to happen?
They gonna search me.
You know what I mean? This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marijuana case. Anytime you get pulled over with your record, what's going to happen? Every single time. So why give them a reason? Really, we keep coming back and forth and back and forth. And
No.
Can you run his license if he has?
Eligible, Your Honor.
All right. I'm not going to put any conditions. Just be careful. Don't pick up any new cases because I'm going to lose it at that point. You've got a great lawyer. Listen to her. She'll take care of you. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you, I'm going to revoke your bond. Just be good. Don't pick up any new cases. If you're going to drive, make sure you have insurance, car insurance. All right. Okay, guys.